Good morning. Welcome to day 90, I think, of day trading the market open with a small account. Day trading the stock market open with a small account. Failed the first time, that's the second time. Let's do it a few more times. That's right. I'm a DJ day trader now. All right, I'm going through these stocks. I have 1 minute and 10 seconds to figure it out. I was more focused on getting those air horns to work because, that's a little more fun. Well, we got a lot of higher price stocks. INDO, looks like that's an oil play. We got some macro tension going on between Israel and Iran. Okay, that's a lower band there. Oh, I don't have anything that I'm willing. Okay, I guess I can maybe look at Icon. RBNE is too expensive, and UKK is too expensive. That's a messed up ticker for the current situation. I think INDO is going to get some love, but we're not going to try to predict anything. We're just going to see what's popping. Icon's probably the best bet for me here, price-wise. So that's the bell. Hopefully something more satisfying comes up. Let's see, 200-day moving average at about 277. So if I use that 500 share, I need to be mindful. Halt down 426 for INDO, which is fine because lower band's at 440. ICON halt down's at 231, which is fine because lower band's at 256. But it also has this 200-day moving average at 276. All right, INDO. You're going to drop out. I'm trying to crack down onto this daily level. INDO is moving right now purely based on speculation that tensions are going to heat up and some oil are going to be targeted. We probably will be seeing more oil stocks pop up. Let's see, Five's a nice line in the sand there. Already has a level there. Okay. Oops, don't want to do that. Okay. ICON has only 2 million shares-ish outstanding. Couldn't get through 306. VWAP's at 312. Yeah, 312. Okay. ICON. I think I'm going to try to play this 200-day moving average if it dips. Actually, I should probably look to see how it's been. Oh, this is another stock with an interesting gap. That gap's all the way up at $23 though, so that's not going to work for us. All right, switching the scanners to after open scan. I don't think I've seen this one. That's a penny stock. ICON. What are you gonna do? Interesting. Interesting that just got bought up right there. Open, then back. Low volume. Be careful of low volume. AT Slater. Careful of the low volume trickery. Low volume stock market trickery. Okay. More. You know, that 200-day moving average is going to be more risky than if I just wait for an actual true flush. It's a little rush. That might be a little bit of a rush trade, so I'm not going to play this level anymore. Let's not rush it. Let's wait for something to reveal itself to us. Oh yeah, I think HUSA is oil too, isn't it? Yeah, Marriott Energy Company. Okay, there's that 200-day moving average bounce that we just chickened away from. It didn't get close enough anyways, I probably wouldn't have taken it. INDO, baby. Drop on out, son. I want this stock to fall to 435. Halt down's at 426. Halt down for ICON is now at 234. Alright, pressure on the 200. Come on, crack down. Give us some better risk management here to play with. Especially with only one or two trades. Got to make sure it's going to be the right bounce spot. Or, the highest probability bounce spot. We'll put it that way. And that would be at a potentially oversold area, which is lower band. I will say I don't think I've seen anybody use the lower band like I use the lower band. Which is kind of cool. It's like the Slater indicator. Oh, no he didn't. Oh, no he didn't. You guys are going to be hearing those air horns a lot, by the way. The Slater indicator. Oh, son, I love that. Alright, INDO. Might have had a little too much coffee today, but it's still flowing. It's early. Juices are flowing. INDO, where'd you top out at? Wow, 648. Wasn't INDO like a monster runner at one point? Oh, yeah. Back in March of 2023. I remember that. That was fun trading that. Okay, ICON. I see you. Are you energy as well? You are energy. Okay. Need a better entry point though. So the top three that I'm watching are all energy. I guess top two, I'm not really watching HUSA. It's up 104%, it's just too expensive. Okay. Pressure, not able to get above that 200-day moving average for ICON. Trying it again now. Penny stock rippage. ICON, 1 minute to make a new high. Let's see if it holds it. It's right around 281 there. RBNE's having a day. Nice candle, 227 to 1375. Dollar moves. We'll be there one day. Account size will be there one day. Nothing is looking incredibly clean right now for some of these lower price stocks. It's going to be the day trade weights. Hey, baby, TPET. What's TPET? TPET. Fake breakout. Fake breakout. Red volume. What's the total volume? 7 milli. ICON, what you trying to do? I see your tape speeding up over there. Interesting. Interesting. What are your charts looking like there, bud? You're over the 100-day moving average. You start running into some problems around 185 and 2. Oop. Halt down's 128. That pop just come out of nowhere? Is that warranted? Did this do anything pre-market? Yeah, I went to 2. ICON trying to do something. I think TPET needs a little more. Well, needs a little more volume. Scale still has 8 million shares traded, but I don't know. Seems light over there. Seems light. All right, ICON. Rejection off of VWAP. Okay, EMA bounce there. Trying to get over 3. There's over 3. There's a 3-cent spread there. All right, TPET is trying to do it again here. 164. There's 164, 169, 170. Okay, we need to be watching this thing. Yeah, I was gonna say, let's make sure that candle doesn't go red. Very nice. Ooh, TPET, you are just throwing shade across the place around here. Trying to get out half. $70. Just cut it. Yep, nice $43 trade on that EMA / like VWAP area. Happy with that. Oh, I forgot it's Friday. We've put together a pretty decent week considering the only red day we've had this week is the rush day where I had some workers come into the house and basically just flushed like $60 down the toilet. But good $40 trade there. You know what that calls for? You know what I'm saying. All right, let's see how much cheddar we can go for some more. Go for another shot of the title over here. Okay. Okay. Get it, got it good. This is the anthem, throw all your hands up. ICON, respecting EMA pretty well here as it crawls back to try to fight VWAP. Let's see if it what. Oh, try to go fishing at that EMA. Nope, no love. No love there. Alright, let's look for the speed. Let's look for the speed up and move up. There's some speed up, but no break. Whoop, whoop, here we go. Oh, big buyer there. Oh, I looked down at my phone to calculate, and there was a big buyer sitting there. Big buyer still sitting there at 309. Oh, hello. All right, we're going to use that buyer as a little cushion. All right, small trade, but that's as much cheddar we had to work with. I want to watch this buyer here. Or is it? Yeah, I can't throw it at it again unless it. Look at this buyer down here. $13,000 share buyer. No, 132,000 share buyer. What am I thinking? Oh, here it is, buyer. Buyer getting eaten. Buyer getting eaten. This thing's gonna flush. Oh, didn't it held at the very last second? Oh, baby. The 309 broke though. This is gonna get gross. This is gonna get gross if that buyer got smoked. That was a lot of shares. That was a lot of shares that sold through with not very much problem. ICON. 132,000 at 309. That was a $400,000 position that somebody just got wiped out. Some buyer just got wrecked. Oh, he was trying to hold VWAP. VWAP's right at 309. Interesting. Interesting. All right, let's see where we're at for the week. Quick recap. I mean, TPET popped up. I was hesitant at first because it had low volume, and this pop, I was like, is it really warranted? And then it came back down, and then we watched this candle go from, actually watched both of these candles just absolutely rip. So then we took this VWAP bounce, front side bounce here after the rip, and capitalize on a quick little bounce. Very beautiful. All right, so that's $100 a week. I'll take it for sure. That's $100 a week with a $66 red day on Monday. So good looking, good trading if I do say so myself. So we're up like $150 on the month so far. So let's not ruin it with another red day. What do we say there? All right, I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. Let me know how you guys did. Drop a like, drop a comment. Appreciate y'all. Peace.